But then the disciples came unto him, and he opened his mouth, and he said them, saying, Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are they that mourn, for they shall be comforted. Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. Blessed are they which do not understand the righteousness, for they shall be saved. Blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy. Blessed are the poor in heart, for they shall see God. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the children of God. Blessed are they who are persecuted for righteousness' sake, for them is no brethren. Blessed are ye when men desire you, and persecute you, and shall say all manner of evil against you for my sake. God is the God from which the Lord in heaven was persecuted the prophet because before you. He has the salt of the earth, but if the salt have lost his flavor, wherewith shall it be salted? It is henceforth good for nothing, but to be cast out and to be trodden under the foot of men. You are the light of the earth. When he is on a hill, you must be seen. Do not do man like a person is put under the stone, but in another place they will set under all the earth in the house. So light also before men, that they may see your good works, and glorify your Father which is in heaven.
Alright, very good.